C program to find factorial of a given number if n is greater than or equal to 0 is any given numbers, natural number or positive integer, then n factorial can be calculated by using the formula n factorial is equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 so on 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, for example, if you want to evaluate the 4 factorial, then 4 factorial is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So this is 4 times 3 12, 12 times 2 24. Similarly, 5 factorial is equal to 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So this is 20, 20 into 3 60, 60 into 2 120. Again we know that the 0 factorial is what? 1 and 1 factorial is what? 1. So now we are going to write a C program to find a factorial of a given numbers n which is greater than or equal to 0. So again include stdio.h wide main. Then next we want to determine factorial. So it is integer n, and we initialize fact is equal to we are going to store factorial in variable fact. Okay, so we initialize fact is equal to 1. Now printf enter your n, which is equal to, okay, then scanf %d and n. Now next, if our n is equal to 0, then in that case printf factorial is equal to, say, new line, factorial is equal to %d fact, okay, else fact is again by using for loop, for I is equal to 1, I is less than or equal to n, I plus fact star equal to I. That is, the meaning of this statement is fact is equal to fact star I. Finally we are going to close else loop. Okay, for loop close, else loop close. Now next we want to print fact is equal to, say we are okay, printf factorial is equal to, new line, again use new line, factorial is equal to %d fact, okay, then get ch and close the main function, two error, clr one error, for I is equal undefined symbol I, so we want to declare here I. Okay, now if we run here and if we enter say 4, it is 24. If we enter say 0, that is 1. If we run again, if we enter 5, then 120. If we run one more time, say 7, that is 540. But if we run say 8, then it shows minus 25,216. So here since the memory for integer is for positive integer, it is only near to 32,000, So instead of here we are declaring unsigned, so we convert the negative memory to by using unsigned integer, unsigned integer. So here we are going to use %u instead of d, use the %u. We may get up to 8 or 9 factorial by using unsigned %u. Here also %u. Now if you enter here 8, that is what 40320, but again if you enter here say 9, then it is wrong. Okay, because what is 8 factorial? It is 8 factorial is 40320, and if we enter here 9, then it is 34,200. So again it is the wrong answer. So we can convert here long instead of unsigned. If you consider here long integer, then here use ld long integer, ld. Now if you run and if you enter here say 9, it is 3,62,880. Okay, so now you can also change this for loop for I is equal to n, then for I is greater than or equal to 0. Instead of this you can write here I greater than 0, then I minus minus. Okay, using unary operator minus minus. In first case we use the unary operator plus plus. So here if you run here say 5, then you can see here 120. If you enter say 6, then it is say 120. If you run one more time say 3, it gives answer 6. If you run say 0, that is what 1. So here we use the for loop for I equal to n, I greater than 0 and I minus minus. Thank you.